Hey everybody, welcome back to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel. I've got some tempered chocolate and I'm just going to pour it into each mold, just like this. And then I just want to start getting all of the air bubbles out. Okay, that's good. And then I'm just going to invert the mold and just let all of that chocolate drip out. And then once again, tap. Then I'll take my spatula and I'm just going to go right over and just remove all of that. So you can see how fast this method is. And then I have a silicone mat here, and I will just take the mold and I'm going to place it right on the silicone mat, just like this. And I want to let that sit there for about 5 minutes. And what it's going to do, as the chocolate drips down the mold, it's going to create a nice thick edge all around the mold. So at this point, I just want to get this into the fridge. I'm going to put that in there for about 10 minutes to chill down, and then I'm going to bring it out. So I just brought these out of the fridge, and as I brought them down and put them on the table, I could actually hear, I think it's that one that's actually come loose. And I don't want, let's lift, that one there. Oh, 2 of them. There we go, there's 2. And let's give a little hit. And there we go, 4. Perfect. So hopefully you can see how nice that is. Not only the outside, you get a nice shine. Inside, it is perfectly smooth as well. I have some medical gloves on, just so I don't get any fingerprints on our nice little rabbits. And I'm going to grab a hair dryer, and since this is stainless steel, I'm just going to apply a little bit of heat right onto my work area here. Okay, that's good. And then I'm going to get that on there. And you can see it's already melting. I just want to get that melted. I'm going to lift it off. Get my other piece. And then get them together. And just push it together. Just like that. And then just very gently get that down. Perfect, and then we'll just let that set up. Let me get that on camera here for you, right here. So there we have one. And just wipe that off. And repeat the process. Okay, that's good. Get him down. Get our other one ready. Move him around, he's ready to go. Lift him up, nice and gentle. Get your top. And then just get them right on there. Push them together, make sure they're nice and even on the bottom. And that looks good. And then nice and easy right down. And there we go. I will take some pictures so you'll be able to really see what they look like, because the camera really doesn't do this justice. But isn't that cute? And that's how easy it is to make little 3D chocolate Easter bunnies. So that's it for this really fun video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish, and if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. If you do subscribe, please hit that little notification bell. It's a brand new icon that YouTube has implemented, and when you click that little bell, it will notify you each time I upload a brand new video. So I'll just tilt these up a little bit, just so you can see them. Oh, they're really cute. So that's it, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video.